Okay guys, so you may know my car, of course, this Toyota Corolla from the Dundas, Mississauga and Highway 427 area. This is the Toyota Corolla SE. This is the ruby red version. Alright guys, well, let me just do this. Hey guys, I need to tell you something. Today is the last day I have this car. You heard me. I am changing this car from a Toyota Corolla 2023 to a Toyota RAV4 2021. Yes, you heard me. A RAV4. Yes. I'll be heading out to Toyota Mississauga today and we're going to be going get the car. There we go. See? We're going to Dundas at Highway 427. And let me just show you the inside. Guys, look. Okay, so you know that over here we have the thing where you put your foot in, and then we have this when you drop after we push the button, we do this. And then of course this is the wipers. And guys, so this is the hazard button. Look, that's gonna be the last time I press it. Well, maybe this is for the air con. And guys, we are just vacuuming the car since it's our final day with it, and no more coins in here, guys. Riley's been always putting coins in here. And then of course, let me show you what else we have in here. Over here is me and Riley's seating area. I sit here, Riley sits there, and then here's the back of the car. See? Here's the back, and then here's the trunk. I'll show you. So we do have our winter tires up in here. That's cool. Yeah, but this is gonna be our last time we'll be using this car. Yeah, I'm really gonna miss it. We had this car since May of 2023. So yeah. Anyways, we're gonna be going in about 10 minutes. So yeah, totally gonna miss this car. This was my favorite car, but the reason we're changing our car is because my mom said that so when we go on camping, there's not enough room in our trunk, guys. Let me show you, guys. So recently, if you hadn't seen my previous video, I bought a Go Bus tent at the Metro Inc.'s pop-up shop on Thursday, April 16. And where's the handle? There's not enough room to put our stuff. I'm gonna put the bus there, and I'm gonna put the actual tent there. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. And look at this. Yeah. But anyways, I will see you when we head to Toyota Mississauga. But first, oh my gosh, guys, obviously, roll the intro. Like, that's what we always do. Alright, okay, for real, roll the intro. Toyota. Guys, look at this. This looks so cool. There is the outside of it. And guys, there is our car right there. This is the final time we are gonna see it. Man. Anyways, I'll see you later. After 2 hours at Toyota, we are home. Check this out. If you saw the short I made, go check it out. And look, guys, I made a short video when we saw our car. The reason because I couldn't record in Toyota, but that's fine. Anyways, let's get out of the car and see what we have. Okay, but my mom has to park this thing first properly. But guys, look at this. Isn't this crazy? I'll put that in the front. So this is my school, guys. Okay. It goes right over here. Guys, look. Oh my gosh. We still have our license plate, guys. That's good. And guys, here is the before and after. But guys, look. Yo, what was that? Wait a minute. Zoom in. I don't see anything, guys. I was just like, yo! Look at this. That was cool. Anyways, guys, I'm about to do a tour. And hey, what's this doing here? Oh well, there's Riley's car seat, guys. Car seat here. Guys, did you see that? Oh my, wait a minute. Oh my god, it's right there. That's steering wheel. So he's gonna, this was in our Corolla. If you hadn't seen it in the Circle Q video, I've seen that. But my mom has, yeah. All right, let's see how you put it on. Wow, that looks so cool, guys. But guys, look. Guys, got it in? Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. Okay. Alright, will you park it? Okay. Let's see how this thing can move. So this is our RAV4. This is the 2021 Toyota RAV4 Trail. That's what we bought. That's what my mom bought. Like $52,000, guys. Can you believe it? $52,000. And guys, we're gonna have to get a new sticker for our building course, which is the one we are in right now. This is my mom's first time in the driving seat. Let's see how she can do it. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. Look at this. Anyways, I'll see you in a bit once we start the tour. Alright, so my mom reclined her seat. Oh, they're about to move. It's about to move. Go, 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 go. Okay, guys. Guys, there it goes. Whoa, that's so cool. And the car has stopped. Alright guys, let's start the tour. Let's start the tour. Okay, so of course we have the engine, of course. Got the wiper shield. Lights. Toyota logo. Did I say logo or logo? License plate. And tires, of course. These mirror things, guys. And then this is the seats. This is the seats here. And here comes my dad, guys. And then we have This is, of course, my spot. And we have Riley's spot. And guys, look how big this trunk is. And then over here, we got the seatbelt, of course. So that's cool. And guys, we have the trunk. Of course, the same license plate. RAV4. Trail. A field thing. And don't mind this, guys. We're gonna take this to Toyota to Mississauga soon. There's Riley's side. With windows. That work good. We have, of course, what is this? I don't know. We have, of course, I'm gonna go in there. So guys, you can see this is our parking lot. There's another Toyota there, a Toyota there, a Toyota there, and even here. Alright, so here's the front. Okay, so of course, as you see, we have the steering wheel with the Toyota logo. We have the buttons, of course. We have the cell phone one. We have the things that go for the wipers. We have our helicopter and we have our screen here. Of course, we have the hazards and everything, yeah. Anyways, I will do more videos with this brand new car. See you in the next video.